Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this little unicorn. We did already unpackage the whole thing because we're still back on our small camera here. I'm sorry about that, you guys. As you can see, it is quite fluffy. It comes with these really crazy rainbow fur and has some glitterish paws, hoofs, and down here it's where the batteries go. We did put already some in, I think, and then you can turn it on, and then you gotta stiff it together. And as you can see now, it start moving and it's doing its thing, and I will show that here. So it is running around, and hello. Oh, there we go. And then it's shaking its head and its tail, and it's excited. And then after a little bit, it should start walking again. There we go. Then it's walking. It's super cute. And yeah, I mean, not much you can complain about here. So that is kind of exciting after all. And that is reacting to sound and gesture. Um, and what also you can keep in mind here is that it has some sound to it, which you don't hear because I did mute the video. So yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. Take care. My name is Badger. I'm out, and I will see you around in the next video. Bye bye.